Blessings, family. Are you tired of suffering from alopecia and hair loss? Well, no more worries because look, you can wear beautiful styles. You too do not have to worry about your hair loss anymore. This beautiful style can be achieved even with severe hair loss or severe alopecia. No more worries. I got you. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Tees, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas. Okay, let's jump right into this video. As you already know, I'm about to love on her hair. Yes, I am moisturizing and hydrating her hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter, if you do not already know, is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with essential oils to promote hair growth, such as peppermint oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, olive oil, black seed oil, just to name a few. Yes, we packed it with all the essential oils to promote hair growth. So tap the link in the description below to start your hair growth journey today. Yes, every jar comes with 5 essential tips to use and to do along with your hair growth butter to produce better results and faster results. So here, as you can see, I have given my client not only a hair and moisturizer, but I have deep massaged her hair and her scalp. And now I'm going in with my brushing process. Yes, brushing is super essential, ladies, to hair growth. Yes, it stimulates our hair follicles and it too can aid in promoting hair growth. So remember to always brush. If you're not brushing your hair regularly, you are doing your hair a disfavor. If your stylist is not brushing your hair, just ask, and I'm sure that she will not or he will not mind incorporating that into your service. Because again, brushing stimulates your hair follicles for hair growth. I am always making sure that I do certain processes to my client's hair before I even get started with the hairstyle. So as you can see here, I am starting her braid pattern. Because she does have some significant loss in the front and at the top, I am starting from the back, which is the most healthiest part of her hair, and I'm going to do a perimeter braid. I am going to braid that braid going all the way around the perimeter of her head, and this is going to be her foundation braid. Yes, I need to establish a foundation braid so that I can create this beautiful style for her. Yes, these are some crochet braids that we are going to be installing today. So continue to keep watching and see how I achieve this beautiful style. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. Again, continue to keep watching and watch to the end so you can see how I achieve this magnificent, beautiful crochet hairstyle.